Paano kung bigla na lamang I wrap my arms on your hips, baby? Pag di mo inaasahan, I'll kiss you right on the lips, baby. Write little love notes and I post it on your front door. Show up in suit and tie with a brooch and the roses in your front yard. Ooh, ooh, do, 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 do. Ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan na haharanahin kita. Saan man tayo magpunta, yung tipong kahit wala lang, o kaya biglang may breakfast in bed just to keep you interested. Lahat